In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox app not downloading and installing games. So the first thing we need to do is head on down to the search bar and type in Xbox. When you can see the Xbox app here, you want to right click it and then select app settings and click. From here, scroll down a little bit until you see terminate, click terminate, and then click repair under reset and just wait for that to repair. After you've done that, head on down to the search bar again and type in settings and then click on system settings here. On the navigational menu on the left, click network and internet. And then here, if you're using Wi-Fi, you want to click the Wi-Fi button here at the very top. Then from here, select hardware properties. And then at the bottom of this main box here, you'll see more adapter options and then click edit. You might need to scroll down a little bit, but what you're looking for is Internet Protocol version 6. If this is turned on, as in if it's ticked, you want to untick it and then click OK. Once we've done that, close out of the settings window and then search for Xbox again, right click it and then click run as administrator. Wait for it to launch again, and hopefully this has fixed your problem. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.